Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm putting down the flooring. So got my panels of flooring here. This shade of floor is called Milo Valley Hickory. Samantha wanted something really light to go in here to kind of match the whole Scandinavian vibe that she's got planned out. There was another flooring that we really liked, some vinyl flooring, but it was ordered online only. They didn't have it in stock, and we're getting we're weeks away from using this thing, so my plan was to get it done today, so I could not wait. So this was a good option. It was a little bit cheaper. It's just a laminate flooring. It does not have the padded backing onto it, so I did have to buy some Underlayment, and I've already got that installed on the floor. I did buy the flooring installation kit, which comes with spacers, your tapping block, and your pull bar. I have laid this type of flooring before in the past in a house. I didn't quite need that stuff, but I figured I might as well do it or buy it and use it in here, because this is like a smaller cramped space. So there's my underlayment here. Nothing much to it. I hated having to even buy this, but everything we read said that you don't want to glue or staple down this type of flooring because of the movement, and it would be best to do an underlayment and let it float. So that's what we're doing. Well, I am done with what I could do today on the floor. Like most every other project that we do, I did not have enough. I'm about 2 planks short of having all of this done. So looks like tomorrow I'll be going back. Sorry. Saw a spider web in the window and thought our window was cracked, so I just about freaked out. I've got to go back tomorrow and pick up another box just so I could use 2 more planks, but I'll have some extra just in case something happens. There is some more things to do. I'm also a little agitated because really the whole reason I bought this was for this pull bar right here, and it was not in the box. Somebody, I guess, helped themselves to it before I bought it, and I didn't check it before we left. So I've got to get that, because there are a couple of planks that I need to pull off the wall a little bit and tighten them back up. So, but overall, I'll give you a kind of a look. Good choice by Samantha on picking out this floor. I like it. It actually matches our countertops pretty well. But yeah, let me show you the somewhat finished project. Alright, my friends, that's it. This is the view from the bed. I'm actually sitting on the bed right now, so you can see this, and then there's my foot, and it looks really nice. Let me show you what it looks like from the outside. So that's the outside going in. Now there will be a piece of something right here, like angle iron or something, to tie in and hide the edge there, but overall I am super happy with the project.
So like in the last video, we talked about we needed to paint these walls. I had sanded them down, but we had to go get the paint. So now we have the paint. Of course, Wade has started putting the floor in, and normally you would want to paint and not have to cover up the floors, but we're just doing things as we have time to do them because we're on a time crunch. So he's got the floors in, and he has come in here and taped everything off so I can just come in and just start painting. So that's what I'm gonna do. The walls are smooth, they're clean, and I'm just hoping that it only needs 1 coat since it's basically primed.
Well, Samantha did a fantastic job on touching up the walls over there and getting them repainted for me. So the next thing we were going to do now that she's done with that is there's a gap right up here, and then my cut marks from this metal that I had to cut so that I could bend it into place. We're going to try to seal that, not using silicone. Instead, we're going to use this product that Samantha got off Amazon, but you can pick them up from your hardware store. It's just basically a adhesive flexible tape that you put around just various things. That's what it is. It just comes in a roll, and then I'm gonna have to start putting it up there and then cut it to length. But you may be able to see that it just bends in half and makes an L shape, and that's what I want, because I want some to go up here on the top part and then some right here on this wall. But I'm just going to run it all the way down this length, and hopefully it'll do the job. First, I'm just going to kind of pull it out, get it untangled, and it's got an adhesive backing to it, which I just got to pull the paper off of it, and then I will start getting it stuck into place. Go all the way to the edge here, and there we go. Just like that. We are rocking and rolling. So that's basically how it applies. You just push it up there and let the adhesive do its job. So we come across a lot of materials that we would have liked to use, but the problem was the bend here, and it's trying to find something that was flexible enough that it would bend and not all kink up and look just absolutely insane. And I think she did a really good job of finding this. Now we've got 3 walls to do. We got this one, the one on the other side, and then the one by the toilet. Now we don't have to do the one on this other side because that's the shower, and it's already got a shower wall back there. So we are all good there. This is I don't know what mil thickness this plastic is, or this whatever it is, but it seems pretty thick to me. Scissors, because I will have to cut this soon. As I get closer down to the bottom here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it cuts with ease, I will say that.
Alright, so this is my view currently in the camper. Don't mind all of that taped up. We are working on something that'll be in the next video. So Wade ended up finishing the vent pipe that goes in for the black tank that's attached. I can't show you that because that is kind of what I'm working on currently to make it more presentable. And we still don't have a cushion here, but I am working on that as well. There's so many things that's like coming in that we've ordered and that we're working on that we're having to get people to help us with. So that will be in the next video, but I did want to wrap up this video and just kind of show you what things look like currently. So Wade ended up molding out, like putting some molding here just to tie everything in, and then we actually decided to not use anything fancy. We used the same PVC molding trim that we used down here for the countertops, and I actually think it just is what I was looking for. I just wanted something simple. I did want to do a tile, but honestly tile gets expensive, it gets heavy, and I never could find any small simple tile. people do it in campers all the time, but it was just not really something that we really cared to do. If we would have found the tile that we were looking for, we probably would have, but also we were on a time crunch, and we are over double of what we decided on the budget, so it was just the best choice for us, and I think it looks really nice. Also, and you can see where Wade did the trim on the bathroom walls over here on this side. It looks really nice. It's nice and painted, nice and smooth, and yeah, we're just super happy. We just have a week left of trying to finalize everything, and that's going to be in the next vlog. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!